Really quickly, I just wanted to mention that I am having a giveaway going on my channel right now. It ends January 1st at 11:59 p.m. so it is ending soon. So if you want to enter, make sure you check out my description box. The rules and the link to enter the giveaway will be the first thing in my description box, or stay tuned till the end of the video where I will go more in depth on the giveaway and how to enter. To start off this makeup look, I'm using the Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm as my primer, and this just helps keep my makeup long lasting, and I do notice a difference when I wear this as my primer in the longevity of my makeup. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 120, and I'm just dotting that all over my face, and then I'm blending that out using my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm applying that under my eyes, the tip of my chin, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and on my eyelids as primer for the eyeshadow. And I'm just blending that out using my beauty blender. To set my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Setting Powder and a fluffy powder brush, and I'm just applying that all over my face. And I really love this powder. I have dry skin and I love to look glowy, so this powder is perfect for me. I'm really obsessed with it, and I think you guys will be seeing me using it a lot on my channel, and I will try to go more in depth on how I like to use this powder in a further video. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the shade Rush on a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm working this into my crease as my transition shade in windshield wiper motions, and I'm just building this color up until I get the intensity that I would like. Once I have built that color up and it's nice and pigmented, I'm going in with the Morphe M504 brush to blend that shadow out so we have no harsh lines and that everything looks nice and airbrushed. Now I'm going into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one, and I'm taking the shade Roxanne on a Morphe M518 brush, and I'm just working this into my crease, but keeping it lower than the transition shade, and I'm just making sure that these two shades blend well together, and I'm using windshield wiper motions. I'm going back in with the Morphe M504 brush to blend those shades together and make sure that everything is nice and blown out and we have no harsh lines. I'm intensifying the shade Roxanne again using the Morphe M518 brush, and then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M504 brush just to blend everything out once more, just to make sure everything is nice and flawless. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm taking the shade Smooth Criminal on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just taking the shade and I'm just packing that onto my eyelid, all over my eyelid, just packing it on until I get it nice and intense. But you do want to work with a little bit of brown at a time because you don't want anything to be too harsh when it comes to blending it in your crease. And to help blend that shade Smooth Criminal in my crease, I'm taking a Morphe E17 brush and I'm just lightly working that up into my crease. I'm taking a Morphe M518 brush again just to make sure that Smooth Criminal is blending well with the shade Roxanne, and then I go back in with my Morphe E18 brush to intensify Smooth Criminal on the lid, and I just go back and forth with blending and packing that color onto my lid, blending it in the crease, packing it onto my lid, and blending it into the crease again. I'm taking the shade Roxanne on a Luxie 227T brush, and I'm just smoking out that shade on my lower lash line. I applied lashes and mascara, and now I'm moving on to the face. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Rosewood, and I'm taking my little Benefit Hula brush and I'm contouring my cheeks and my jawline. I'm using my Morphe M437 brush to help blend out that bronzer so that we have no harsh lines. I'm taking the Luxie 522 brush to apply that bronzer to my forehead. I'm using tapping and blending motions to apply that. I'm taking my Morphe M437 brush again just to blend all that bronzer out and make sure that everything looks nice and blended and that we have no harsh lines. I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to contour my nose. I'm just drawing 2 lines down the center of my nose. And then I'm also contouring around my nostrils. I'm contouring my Cupid's bow and my bottom lip to give the appearance of a bigger lip. And then I'm blending that out using my e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm going to bake the areas that I've contoured with translucent powder and my beauty blender. For highlight, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I'm taking the shade Moonstone on a Morphe M510 brush, and I'm just applying that to my cheekbones, my chin, my Cupid's bow, and down the center of my nose. I'm taking my Morphe E36 brush to apply that highlight to the tip of my nose so it's nice and precise, and to the inner corners of my eyelids. And now I'm going in with my Benefit blush in the shade Dallas on my Sonia Kashuk number 113 brush, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks. I wanted to add a little glitter to this look to amp up this makeup look since it is a New Year's look. So I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Storm, and I'm just applying that to the inner corners of my eyelids right over that highlight. And now I'm taking my Morphe M437 brush and I'm wiping away all my bake and running that all over my whole face so everything is nice and blended together. Now I'm going to set my face using my MAC Fix Plus. For lips, I'm going in with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea, and I'm outlining my lips, but I'm also going to fill in my whole lip using this lip liner. And I'm going to top the lips off with my Sephora Collection liquid lipstick in the shade 33, and that is it. This is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. When I think of New Year's, I think of either 2 options. I think of smoky and sultry, or glittery and glam and all out, and I decided to go with the smoky and sultry look, and I really love how it turned out. And of course, you don't have to wear this for New Year's because a smoky eye is perfect for any occasion. You can wear it any time of the year. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do like it and you do recreate it and you take pictures, please tag me or DM me or let me know, because I have been loving seeing your guys' recreations of my Christmas looks. It has been so amazing and so crazy. I can't even believe that anyone is interested in recreating my looks or that I inspire people to recreate the same thing or something similar, and it's just crazy. I can't even believe it, but it's made me so happy. I love seeing your guys' recreations. You guys are so talented, so please tag me or let me know if you do decide to recreate this look, because I would love to see it. I really hope you guys have a good New Year's, and I just want to thank all of my new subscribers. I know I have got a lot of new subscribers lately, and I am taking in all of your requests, and I will be getting to your guys' requests for videos in the new year. I have got a ton of requests for more natural looks, for more colorful looks, for more in-depth videos to get to know me, so I will be getting to a ton of your guys' requests in the new year, so stay tuned on my channel for that. I just want to thank all of you for supporting me. It means so much to me, and I just feel so blessed. Really quickly, I do want to move on to the giveaway. I am having a holiday makeup and beauty giveaway going on my channel right now. It's super simple to enter. All you got to do is check out the description box, and there will be a link right there. The first thing in the description box, you click that link, you enter your name and your email, and then it will verify that you're subscribed to me. You must be subscribed to me. This is mandatory. And then go ahead and give this video a like and leave a comment letting me know what kind of videos you want to see on my channel, what kind of tutorials, what kind of videos you want to see me create, what you guys are interested in, because I want to know what you guys want to see. And then you have two options for bonus entries. You can follow me on Instagram or follow me on Twitter, but those are bonus entries. You don't have to do it. So that's it. It's super simple to enter the giveaway. So just check out my description box in case if I missed anything. All the rules, the link to enter, and all of the products that I'm giving away will be listed in the description box. So if you want to win all this makeup right here, please make sure you enter before January 1st at 11:59 p.m. It is coming up, so please enter so you don't miss out. Good luck to everyone who enters, and I just want to thank all of you for watching this video and supporting me again. Happy New Year's, happy holidays, and I will see you guys in the new year. Bye!